Alright, welcome back everybody. We're doing some Spitfire Ace testing. Late August, flying a Hurricane. Dale Sidney, our flight sergeant, is our pilot. Mid-August, well, I might as well keep this up. Mid-August got a little bit better. We got some kills, something to show for everything. We actually did get the DFC and bar, if I'm not, yes, we got the DFM in the bar. Our fatigue is starting to get up there a little bit. Um, we got precision now, so when I fire my guns, if I get an odd card, I will no longer use ammunition. I always feel that's important. Helped me a number of times. So let's see what we got here. Hopefully my brain's clear enough to do this. Had a tough day, and see if this helps clear it. Late August, we got 5 slots. We roll a 3. That'll be 3 of them we're going to use. Or, yeah, 3 of them we're going to use. So we'll get 2 new contacts. Bear with me a second while I'm thinking. Comes hard today. There we go. Yeah, we don't recover anything unless we are injured, reassignment, or missed due to leave. Okay, double checking things. Alright, first roll for event, nothing. Second roll for event, nothing. Okay, third one's going to be a contact sortie, no event. We will roll for the raid, late August. We roll an 11, airfields to the south. And put that in my airfield south. Let's check for our bombers. 9, late August, DO-17. And escort. 8. ME-109E4. Alright, now we will go to ground control. Oh boy, I think I've rolled this more than half the time. Oh, not last month I didn't, but poor ground control. And we'll roll on the interception. Usually not good. 7 head-on versus bombers. At least we got bombers, so we'll deal with that. DO-17. Clean up all this. I think I will go for the airframe on him. They're escorted, so the wingman will stay put. We're going to fire. And they're going to return fire. R6, actually against the bomber, we'll get 4 minus 1 is 3. And that is an even number card, so we will lose ammo. Or use it, I should say. And they're going to fire at us. 1 hit minus 1 is 0. Good for us. So we're going to get 3 hits on them to start the day. 3 hits to the airframe. 11. Bombay, very nice. If we get one more good roll. Bombay bombs hit in the first 2 endurance boxes. Yes, they are. Requires 2d6 roll. We roll an 8 airframe. We have no cannons, so it'll stay airframe. Second roll, 7. Airframe again. Yeah, we're lighting him up pretty good. And 7 again. Look at this shit. Down he goes. So boom. Right off the bat, 3 straight airframe hits. I don't get that too often. We used only 1 ammunition. We can't go after the bombers again in this zone because they're escorted. We do have to roll for dogfight. 6, no effect. Escort engagement. 1 dies 6. 1, we do not avoid them. We are disadvantaged against an ME-109 E4s. Let's clean all this up. Get him over there, put him over here. Put the machine gun ammo right there. Or actually, cannon ammo goes right there. So he's going to come at us with firepower of 8. Trying to decide if I want to use my reflexes and come head on at him and try and blast him right away and do enough damage that if we survive at 8 firepower is rough. But lately I've been getting bad draws when I'm not aggressive and I'm only avoiding a hit or some other bullshit. So fuck it, let's go aggressive. Reflexes will put us right on him. Head to head, if I get my act together. There we go. He's going to fire at us. We're going to fire at him. Our card first. 6 firepower. 3 hits. Even cards, so we use up ammunition. Oops, not flip. Let's just pull that off to the side, shall we? And his 8 firepower. 1, yes. Gamble played off. And he will flip his ammo. So we'll get 3 hits on him. Let's take the 1 hit against us first. 12, minor, even better. 3 hits on him. 46, airframe. 22, tail. And 24, landing gear A, minor damage. Okay, so we damaged him. Not as bad as I would have liked, but we damaged him. And we go on to initiative. Hope dogfight first. 10, wingman if present fires at engaged enemy. We are in. Thought I got rid of that. Guess I didn't, did I? No, I got him the expert. Precision. Now, bear with me while I look at this a second. I gotta see. I thought I got rid of that. That's normally what I like to do. I did forget to take my experience off when I bought the precision. Took us back down to 1. We got 2 prestige points. I thought I used them for it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, and I just never did it to use those 2 prestige points. So we should be loose formation. I have to look back on a video, but I'm sure that's what I spent my prestige on. All right, enough of that. So anyway, loose formation, 4 firepower. He is an expert now, which expert gives him redraw a combat card once per sortie. So if I don't like this, I'm probably going to go ahead and take it and use his expert status. So let's see what he draws on a 4. Oops. 1 hit. Regardless of what we do, we got to take the next draw. Or we could save that for later. We could save his expert for later. Let's do that. 1's not bad. It could be worse. 53. Engine. Good. That'll help. That'll help. So he's going to reduce 2 speed. And I think I forgot to shuffle the cards to do that now. I know it's out of order. You're supposed to do it at the beginning of the month, but I forgot. Sue me. Initiative. Our die's blue. Theirs is red. We're up by 2. They've got a speed of 17. We have 16, but they're down to 15 now, so that'll put us up by 3. All right, so we're going to be moving him 1 position, which is going to put him at disadvantage, which means that I like that too. That's thank you for my wingman for getting that engine hit. We're going to fire, and he's going to try to fly defensively. Our fire, 1 hit. His defense, avoid all damage. Well, if we got to draw that card, that's the time to do it. And 1 hit was odd cards. We don't, no. 1 hit, yeah, odd cards. We don't use any ammo either. But that was an avoid all damage. We go into initiative, dogfight first. Can't forget dogfight. 9, no effect. Initiative, ours is blue, up by 2, up by 3 because of the speed. Again, he's going to lose another position. We're going to be on his tail, which means we gain 1 position, 1 hit. Yes, we get 1 hit if we score any hits. So, we again are going to fire. He's going to try defensive. Our fire 2, make it 3. And that's in the odd card, so we don't use ammo. And his defensive, avoid all damage. All right, and we come to dogfight. 8, no effect. Initiative, ours is blue, down by 1. Goes to even because of the speed. So no change. We're going to fire. He's going to evade. Our fire, 4 hits, 5 hits. His defensive, improved position by 1 if he survives. 5 hits, we'll put him there. That's an even card. We'll use ammo. 5 hits coming up. That's what I was hoping for. Somewhere along the line to get a nice run of hits on him. Aircraft damage. First hit, 54. Engine, he's done. Second hit, 51 minor. Third hit, 33 port wing. Fourth hit, 14, landing gear or minor, and fifth hit, 43, starboard wing. So he's going to go down in a ball of flames. Or not flames. That was actually an engine hit, wasn't it? What am I doing putting it on tail? Alright, so we will get a kill there. That's 2 kills, 1 bomber kill. Dogfight. 11, wingman fires an engaged enemy present. If 6, no, it doesn't matter, but he will fire. 3 hits. 53. Engine already out. 52. Airframe, he goes down, but he's already gone down. 36 controls, so a wasted effort, but regardless. Well, we've got a choice to try to go on to another zone. We have used our reflexes. We've taken no damage. If we do find the enemy, we're up against ME-109E4s again. And we have poor ground. Let's try it. What the hell? No guts and glory. Three. Raid not located. We'll roll one more time. Do I really want to do this? We're getting farther and farther away. 4. Raid not located. We're going to go ahead and land. Safe landing. Brings our fatigue up to 11. Still having trouble if we need a parachute. We also get an experience point because that's our 3rd combat mission. I don't think there's anything I want yet for 2, but we'll check. Um, I do kind of like that situational awareness too. Oops. We were supposed to have 2. I think I hit the wrong thing. Yeah. Let's use that up and go get situational awareness. Alright, and for the wingman, one, two, three, four, -3 for his expert. He should only have 1. I got a little out of whack on all this record keeping. Someone online, bear with me. Alright, so we landed. Let's stress is getting up there pretty good. We're going to go to the next sortie slot. This time we have an event. 7, North Zone. No, we are in the London zone. Airfield strafed by enemy fighters, increased fatigue by 1. And that makes it a little harder for us to land. Alright, now we go to contact, or to raid rather. 9, airfields L, that's in our area. Bombers 4, JU-88. And fighters 7, ME-109E3. Alright, we go to ground control. 6, barely got it, precise. Must attack bombers, that's good. Alright, now we'll go to interception. 5, fighter sweep. Alright. No bombers present. Roll on B3, B4. We already know that they are ME-109E3s. 4, disadvantaged. Not a good way to start. I'm going to use my reflexes again. I hate using them right away, but I'd rather be facing him. Alright, we're both going to fire. We're firing with a 6. DE, very nice, unless well, no, he's just going to fire us up, so his fire with a 6 is group. Shit, we both hurt each other. He's destroyed, and we gotta put up with a group. Alright, group damage, fighter right here, so we get a control hit, we get a airframe hit, we get a gunner hit, but there is none, and then we get 2 random hits. 14, landing gear, and 26, forward weapons. C, all forward weapons. So I think we're landing. Alright, yep, I think we're landing. So we took him out, got a kill. It's number 11. We're going to have to land. We're going to get a +1 for our lack of, our abundance of fatigue. Alright, so we roll a 6, 5, 6, bear with Give me a second. Checking this out. Strafed by enemy fighters, not bombed. Okay. In my base, but yeah, this is it. So +2 will be 7, 8, 9 for fatigue. So we still landed safe. Thanks to a really good draw, and our ground crews will fix us right up. And we'll put our reflexes right back out. And we will look at our final sortie of the month. No event. Raid chart 7. Airfields London again. So in my understanding that's cumulative, so we're going to have a hard time landing. Bombers. 5. Heinkel. Fighters. London rate. I keep forgetting to use this too. 1 die 6 3. Use chart B3 6 7. Give me 1 and 9 E3. Okay. Ground control 9. Good ground control. Interception 4. Head on versus escort. Yep. Well, at least it's head on. How about we've been ballsy lately. Let's both fire. We'll save our reflexes. We're firing with 6. We get 4 hits. They're firing with 6, and they get 1 hit. So that paid off. And we used AML. We'll get our 1 hit first. $31. That's good. That's minor damage. And his 4 hits. First, 45 airframe. Second, 23 tail. Third, 14 minor. Fourth, 42 starboard wing. All right. And dogfight 3. No effect. We are down by 1 because of speed, but we are up by 1, even because of situational awareness. So let's roll the dice. Ours are blue. 5. We're up by 2. No change. I'm going to use my reflexes. We're going to go ahead and fire first. R3, we get 3 hits, and we use up ammo. We'll do 3 hits before he can fire because we used our reflexes. 36 controls. Second is radio A minor. Third is 25 forward guns B. One weapon system randomly selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 it is, one cannon. Okay, now he fires, and that does go against him. Because we used our reflexes, so it's not simultaneous. He's got a 4. Oh, shit. Good thing, too. And he's going to use the last of his ammo. Going to hit us 4 times. That's why I don't play around with him. First hit, 16 radio. Second hit, 56 engine. Not good for us. Third hit, 23 tail. Fourth hit, 13 landing gear. Ooh, we're gonna have a tough time landing. All right, dogfight. 9, no effect. Initiative. We are 14, he's 17, so he's up by 3, up by 2 because of situational awareness. Ours is blue, down by 3. He's going to gain a position on us. Fortunately, he does not have any more cannon left, so he's only going to be firing with 2. So this is going to be him firing and us trying to get away from him. He fires, no hits, our defensive, avoid all damage. Okay, dogfight. 41 or 5, no effect. Initiative, down by 1. We're down by 2, down by 3, down by 4, down by 3. Yeah, he's going to gain another position. All right. Same thing. He's going to fire at us. 1 hit, going to be 2 hits, and we are improved position by 1, so we're going to take 2 hits. All right, first hit. We really got to try to get out of here. 9, no, oh no, 63, sorry, on the wrong one. 63, rear gunner, G, no rear gunner, 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 1 to 3 is an airframe. Second hit. Is 33, port wing. All right, now dogfight. 6, no effect. Initiative 21, we're up by 1. We're 3 difference of speed, so we're down by 2. Situational awareness down by 1. We are disadvantaged. He's gonna fire with 2. We're gonna try to disengage again, or defensive. His 2. Damn, 3 hits. Improved position by 2 if we survive to 3 hits. All right. First hit. 22 tail. And second hit. 34 rear gun D. Minor damage. Fourth hit. 25. Forward guns B. Yeah. Odds or evens. Odds be this one right there. So we're down to 3 too. This is a good dog fight. Dog fight. 3. If in tight formation, no. Otherwise, no effect. Initiative. We're up by 3. Because of the speed, we're even. Situational awareness gets us up by 1. No change. He's disadvantaged. We're firing with a firepower 3, and he's trying to get out of there. Or we can try to disengage. Let's try to disengage. Roll 1 die 6. 4. We do disengage. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hell out of there and try and land this bird. We did not shoot him down, but I would rather get out of there with all this damage. Landing. This will be interesting. 7, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Barely a safe landing. And we will go into increase our fatigue to 13. And that's going to do it for late August. Not a bad month, 3 kills, but we did not do very well on that last dog fight. So, that's how it goes. Oh, I want to thank you all for joining me. We'll do this again next time, and you all have a good night.